The Meghalaya government today banned the import of poultry, eggs and unprocessed poultry meat into the state through the western border with Assam in order to control the spread of bird flu or avian influenza in the state. The state government has also formed state and district level committees which will be responsible for countering any outbreak of bird flu. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma also held a meeting with officials of departments concerned to discuss the state's preparedness in tackling the outbreak. Conrad Sangma tweeted today, in order to prevent the spread of avian influenza or bird flu to Meghalaya, import of poultry birds, eggs and unprocessed poultry meat into the state through the western border of Assam is banned with immediate effect till further orders.